This is me,
Goeiedag.
and these are my favorite trousers.
Hey.
I've worn them so much that they now have a hole in them. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to repair them using the traditional Japanese embroidery technique called sashiko. To do that, I'll need a repair patch, a needle, some thick cotton thread. Actually, make that various colors of thread. And finally, a simple Samsung flip phone. Hold on a minute. What am I supposed to do with a flip phone?
Thanks for unleashing me. I'm here to tell you more about the art of sashiko embroidery. In its essence, sashiko is the art of repairing clothes in a pretty manner. So instead of simply whacking a patch onto the hole and calling it a day, the Japanese go out of their way to add beautiful embroidery. It's often considered to be part of the wabi-sabi philosophy that appreciates transience and imperfections.
Now, where I'm from, we have an equally beautiful philosophy. Better to have a hole in your trousers than trousers in your hole. To set up this repair, I start by inserting the repair patch and securing it with a simple basting stitch. Once that is finished, the embroidering can start. A lot of traditional sashiko designs have geometric elements to them. I love that, but because I've been using these trousers primarily for outdoor adventures, I feel like a natural, figurative design would suit better. This is what I had in mind. Let's see what we can make of it. And while I'm getting into the thick of it, I'll tell you the story behind these trousers and what they mean to me. It all started in 2024 in the great city of Sofia. I'm still living in Bulgaria at this moment, and I'm enrolled at a language school. The classes are small, a maximum of 5 people, and the students are expats from all over the world. But who happens to join my class? A fellow Dutch guy called Steven! But he's not just any Dutch guy. He's a Dutch guy from my specific region of the Netherlands. We grew up only 30 kilometers away from each other, and we speak with the same softness of the south. Now, what are the odds of that ever happening? Needless to say, we become friends. The deal is sealed after he asks me to smuggle 7 large, unmarked boxes across the border for him. In return, he helps to build a sleep platform in the back of our car.
Алло?
Това Юлия.
Да, това съм аз.
Стигам до 6.
Добре, добре. He wants me to get to the point. Не, няма проблем, няма нужда от скорост.
Благодаря.
Да, супер, чао. Alright, so where were we? Ah, yes, Sofia.
While we're both still living in Sofia, Steven introduces me to his friend who owns a military surplus shop. When I meet this friend, he's wearing top-to-bottom military gear from his own shop. He explains to me that it's excellent outdoor gear and very cheap too. I say, well, that's right up my alley. So not much later, I find myself in his shop, acquiring various items, among which these vintage military trousers that I have been wearing ever since, non-stop. Well, that is until now, because of the hole in it.
I could have easily discarded these trousers and gotten some new ones, but that would have been wasteful and boring nevertheless. So with this last little step, the trousers are finished. Now all that's left to do is give this little snip and then test the trousers. So, onto the mountain we go.
I'm happy my trousers have healed. The wounds have closed and the scars are beautiful. And walking through this vast landscape of soft snowfields and rugged rocks invites reflections. I understand that the freedom I'm granted is immeasurable and that I will therefore never fully know it. All I can do is continue to walk, every step granting me more freedom. And as I'm planting my next few steps here in the Italian Alps, I would like to leave you with one final question.
Can you ever truly be free if you can't repair your own trousers?